yo, let me live.
I'm relaxing.
I
couldn't even go to get the DMX. He was on a fire escape.
Have a good show,
This is another DMX story I'm taking. Nigga went to go see him. They said he on a fire escape.
Y'all appreciate you going
Drinker.
Once you hear the music, you know. Once you hear the music, you know. You heard once you hear the music, roll with it. Just a bunch of negative vibes out here.
I want to get into some hard shit, right, boys? I want to get into some hard shit too, like, yo. It's about to get crazy. Let's do it. You know this shit right here, this shit right here. We have a phone right there, son. You know this, you know that. Smoke so hard, niggas
more person that was on that firm album that's here with me tonight. Correct, right, boys?
Yes, indeed. You already know.
Let's see who else is on that
Let's see if they know this record. Let's go. Come on.
Yo, sit back, relax, let your contact sit upon to you.
What's up, bro?
As long as you mad, sneak attack, you can cash the back, worth top dollar, in fact, that's
Introduce it.
I'll react like a rock rock.
Make some noise for motherfucking Cormega, yo!
Yo, boys, I ain't got my phone in front of me. I don't even know what's next.
Don't worry about it. I got you, my brother. We gonna take it to the crib with fly shoots right now. Hey, yo, Guts, let me see if they remember this record. Drop that shit. Turn it up a little louder. All my real hip-hop cats. Put a hand in the motherfucking air right now. Bring it up, bring the blood, buddy. Dirty gas, our biggest is N.O.R.E. Come on, see you side. You fucking walk. Talking about me outside. That's what's up, yo. I'm trying to leave you ass and double us when I'm supposed to. Moving around you. Ain't close for what they told you. Listen up, you coming. I saw you back on the same type shit. Tie you up, say your name. Chris Lee, Howard, choking down. I put the bogey out in your face. Tell your big slave, I got straight face. Take a guy on my way. They get the call for space. I shoot you up a ball straight. You know somebody got me right here or right there. I ain't gonna stay. Should've set it off right there. See it in pouring boys spread across New York. Run the Indians down. Deep in, militant, run the world know. Cormega from Harlem. You can be serious. Keep it real like that. You get slammed in your back. Oh man, alley cat. You was nothing but Jamaica. I'm proud to know. You was fucking the game like it's a drug. Box was a dog, man. I'm thinking about the street shoes. Uncle Wise, you get since 82. On the streets, 107 got broke.
I see you, come see you, rain scroll, to the rest of the fam, lock and hold.
I ain't take money go first. Snatch first, go to church. Yo, that's not me. Money up first. Sleepless memories. But everybody never let it stay real. Realer than you think. Just say, watch it rush. The knives get cut. Police bust. Yo, what happened? Police kicked off. Yo, we was rapping. Yo, like, what? Trust in decent. I ain't cracking. So that's the one that they racing. We all think the blood of money. Dirty cash. Niggas is smoke weed. Cars get stabbed. You gonna be woke. On my back. Sleep quiet. Talk about me. Get the dance when I pop.
Whoa. What's up? Apollo, y'all having a good time? Make some fucking noise. What's up?
Yo, hold on. But right. We heard this is like the first, New York event in a long time. The originals. So I want to pick up the Apollo Theater.
Yes.
I want to pick up my brother Ali for putting this together.
Ali, happy birthday, Ali.
Because not only we want to bring this back to New York, but we want to bring this on the road. We want to show niggas that New York niggas do get along.
That's
we
right.
do fuck with each other. And we can get this money together. So I want to pick up the artist that was on here. Jim Jones. N.O.R.E. Jada Kiss. And my brother from another mother. I just seen that nigga on the fire escape. My nigga DMX. Dead serious. That's the first time I ever spoke to a nigga while he was on the fire escape. I'm like, hey, what's up, my nigga? He's like, you good? I'm like, I'm good. I'm like, I'm about to go perform. He like, word? I'm like, that's a fact, X. I'm gonna go perform. Big up to DMX. Make some noise for that nigga. The most genuine nigga I ever met in my life. I don't know what we doing, but let's talk to the crowd.
Let's go, Cuts. You remember this record right here?
Rick Tate, and when the day, get you on Bruno. I'm on out just like a uniform for the sun. You can't feel the thing that I do. I stand up on the gun. So the sergeant, what's going on and why? It's N.O.R.E. On the block, killer die. Me and you got me. N.O.R.E. It's N.O.R.E. On the block, killer die. Me and you got me. Check it. I do the full love and gas out.
Tracy tracks, the murder cats. We fly, we on a dead load. Nigga headline. Cormega blast with nine. Moves makers. Get you back, roll in Jamaica.
Now you
Unification with the maker.
we told them fools to stop.
Stop fucking with the
My team, I'm not team.
Blow holes in your Versace.
Wars mega.
With the arm like a legger.
Been doing this since my 6 from Cormega. Gorilla, animal thug,
Triflucker.
your heart's took it.
Got blown and said you booked
You're
it.
over that error.
What organized dog killer?
Now you little monkey niggas wanna play gorilla. Officially,
Mussolini.
Palm Eating,
Insanity.
temporarily.
My plea.
The chicks never worry me.
As long as I'm free.
But my niggas holding back.
Nothing less than a G.
Crime side of life.
Foul price to pay.
Illegal life.
Trigger train team.
With the fresh trying up. Reach heaven and the pearly white accurate. Until then, I'ma shine. Resurrect.
Through the birth of my son and live again.
N.O.R.E. It's N.O.R.E. On the block, kill the cops. Me and you got me. N.O.R.E. It's N.O.R.E. On the block, kill the cops. Me and you got me. Hey, yo, make some noise for my brother Capone.
Harlem, what's up? Harlem, what's up?
Let's go, let's go. Everybody.
The invincible.
Untouchable. Throw your hands in the air. And wave them like you just don't care. If you ready to rock, we see it. Somebody say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And I see it.
Yo, let's play drop. Oh, can I so stop? I can't believe I fucked up and made a half-ass album. My excuse is what? I didn't want to make you this fucking guy. Stay stuck with me, but she still ain't go. You gotta have it just to rock it. And I roll. Seeing every like a damn oil. I write rhymes with the go boil. Follow him, see me. Sell me like Ronaldo, please. Got out the club, see the police. D.I.O.P. Like Frank Magic. See me blow my dough. And he shit in the area. You know I know. We had to go see Primo. Shaking up the reunion. Brand new cut. We up in D&D singing with the rappers of sun. We're gonna project it over. Listen. Yo, throw your hands in the air. And wave them like you just don't care. If you're ready to rock, we're seeing it. Somebody say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm not proud for the bad niggas and I got dollars. Proud for the top dollars. Put my hand on the bike and tell it to the judge. I'm alive for my thug. Yo, I'm taking the blood.com. Track bombs killing the squad. Never ever still in the yard till I bomb the gun. For my niggas in the bridge. $50 on the racks on the crack gates. And rack on the crack gates. Then we help out a half case. We got gas to get that straight. We moving at a fast rate. My last name's like my dad. I'm a commercial man. And it's right in Carolina. Since the can't stand it. Smoke for the electricity. Group the flow. Staggering. Bang like a wild African. I spit it down on the T.O.B. For the love of the street. I always try. I always play it too. Say throw your hands in the air. Hey, we don't really just don't care. If you're ready to rock, we're seeing it. Somebody say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, let's go, guys. Hold up.
Yeah. I don't even want to talk. Just drop it.
Let's go.
Drop that shit. Drop it. Yeah. That's what I was waiting for. What's going on up top?
Not us,